With the improvement of call log feature, Android users are able to get more information from their call records, so some of them tend to make a backup for the call logs. The reasons for backing up Android call logs. Logs can be evidence. Accidental deletion is possible. Viruses can cause data loss. Errors or operations like crashes, resets, rooting, or flashing ROMs can erase logs. Physical damage, like a broken screen, can also cause loss. Backup call logs on Android phone to PC with Android Backup and Restore. To securely transfer call history from Android to a computer, use software like Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. With one click, it simplifies the backup process, ensuring the safety of call logs on your computer. Now, you can click the download button to try out the Android Backup and Restore tool. Step 1. Run Android Backup and Restore on your computer. Step 2. Select the files for backup. Step 3. Start to backup call logs on Android. Backup call logs on Android phone with Assistant for Android. Another Android data backup and manager tool from Mobikin. Assistant for Android can also help you back up call logs from Android phone to PC or Mac completely or selectively. It seems like you're providing instructions for backing up an Android phone using specific software. If you're looking for guidance on how to proceed with these steps, or if you need assistance with any specific part, feel free to ask. Step 3. After that, a window with several folders will pop up on the interface. In this window, just mark the call logs option and select the location to store the files. Finally, just hit backup to save the chosen data. Step 4. When the exporting process ends, you can view and edit the backed up file XML file on your PC without any limitation. Export call history to Gmail as a backup. It appears you're providing steps for backing up call logs and messages on an Android device using an application from the Google Play Store. If you need further assistance or have any questions about these steps, feel free to ask. Transfer cell phone records to Excel. Download and install the app from Google Play Store. Open the app and grant necessary permissions. In call history, tap the export icon to save call logs as Excel files, selecting specific call types if desired. Backup Android call logs with apps. 1. Super Backup and Restore. Super Backup and Restore is an advanced application which can be used to backup lots of Android files like SMS, call logs, contacts, applications, calendars, and so on. 2. SMS Backup and Restore. This is also a high-rated Android backup application in Play Store. People like it since it is simple to use, multifunctional, and ad-free. How to get back the call history if you lose it unexpectedly. If you lose them without any backup, you need to restore the data with Mobikin Doctor for Android. With this tool, you can get back your data with simple clicks. Connect phone to PC via USB. Enable USB debugging. Click call logs and press Next for scanning. Preview lost records. Select files. Then click Recover to restore call logs.